Welcome. Hey YouTubers, welcome to Where Everybody's Gone Before, Bucky749's official Star Trek show. I am Captain Bucky of the USS Bucky749, also known as the American Samurai. And today we're going to be unboxing another Playmates figure. I'm going to have like a couple of shorts up showing you guys the ones I've got. They'll be completely silent. But we've got Zircon Cochrane, I missed that wrong, from one of the Star Trek movies. We've got Dixon Hill, Captain Picard, Private Eye alter ego. And we got Vina, I think I said that right, from the Cage, the Menagerie. And we're going to be unboxing another figure from the Cage collection, or the Menagerie. So yeah. This is, from the Cage pilot episode. This is the very first Captain Christopher Pike, before he had his accident. So, collection note: The Cage, produced in 1964, was Gene Roddenberry's first Star Trek pilot episode. Much of The Cage was used in Star Trek's first season 2-part episode, The Menagerie, which you guys can see multiple reviews of on this channel, as we reviewed the VHS and the DVD version. The VHS of The Cage and The Menagerie, so just saying. Which takes place 13 years later. Mr. Spock is the only character from The Cage who stayed with the series, although Major Barron, who played number 1, later stars Nurse Chapel. Although The Cage was never aired on TV network, it's still revered as generations of Star Trek fans as the episode that spawned a legend that continues to this day in featured TV films, and honors the role of The Cage honored with its 4 memorable characters in the episode, and of course, which spawns Star Trek Strange New Worlds. General Order 7, subject to Talos 5 for eyes only of Starfleet Command. After a distress mission on Rigel 7, Captain Christopher Pike diverted to USS Enterprise to Talos 5. After receiving a distress call from the survivors of the SS Columbia, the Talosian surface landing party found a group of aging scientists and a young woman named Vina. But it was all an illusion. Vina led Pike into a trap on the Talosian living underground, imprisoned in a menagerie where they were to begin repopulating the surface. Pike learned that Talosians' mental power were filled to mind primitive thoughts they could not block. After discovering that humans would rather die than being held captive, the Talosians released Pike and his ship. Vina, the only true survivor of Columbia, remained in Talosian capture. The captain recommended to Starfleet that Talos 5 be placed off limits. No vessel under any conditions may visit Talos 5. So yeah, we're going to open Christopher Pike, and he comes with Warrior Shield, primitive defense armament, Starfleet communicator for translation and location, Rogelian spear, Kalira's attack weapon, Starfleet hand phaser, personal armament defense mechanism. I'm going to say this one particularly was personally modified for Christopher Pike's use because it looks so different. In reality, we know it's because it was early days of the show, but I'm going to say, and of course Captain Pike's personal base, but I'm going to say he modified it to his style because I think he's supposed to be from Texas, so I think in my head canon he modified it to look like an old-fashioned six shooter. because that's what Christopher Pike would be most familiar with. So yeah, let's see, his number is... Let's see, 8052597. Okay, so that's a Christopher Pike with these accessories out here. Got his shield. I think he's the only Starfleet guy that comes with a shield. It makes sense for the episode. A spear. Of course, he's gonna have the phaser in purple. And the blaster, to me, looks... Oh, that's the communicator. And the base. Christopher Pike, big fan of Ace of Base. Little joke, little joke. Yeah, so we got Christopher Pike there. Now let's see what cards we got. This is the one card. I thought it was two. Here's just Christopher Pike. All right. That's Christopher Pike. I'm glad to have him in the collection. So yeah. Overall, good figure. All right, until next time, this has been a Star Trek unboxing. Until next time, good articulation. Nice articulation. A little loose, but to work on the hand a little bit there. I think I'd probably use this hand for pulling things, not this one, but work for the shield. Alright, comment, subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you next time.